Now let us discuss 47. The structure of intermediate A in the following reaction is. This compound is called cumene or isopropyl benzene. Is reacted with oxygen to produce an intermediate A. A on a reaction with H plus and water to gives rise to phenol plus acetone. Now let us see its mechanism. Cumene, that means isopropyl benzene on reaction with oxygen to form cumene hydroperoxide. Its name is cumene hydroperoxide. Now let us verify the given options. So the intermediate in this reaction is cumene hydroperoxide. So our option is 2 is our correct answer.